Welcome to Aroopa Apps, your low-code, no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Aroopa Apps. Do you hate paperwork but love getting paid? Aroopa's invoicing app might just be your new favorite tool. Picture this. You're at your favorite coffee shop sipping a latte, and with just a few taps on your phone, an invoice is sent to your customer. No more stacks of paperwork, no more complex spreadsheets, just simple, efficient invoicing. Here's how Aroopa Apps will help. It saves time. Aroopa's app automates your invoicing, eliminating manual entry errors and saving you hours. Send invoices anytime, anywhere, even from your couch. Next, it helps boost cash flow. With built-in automatic payment reminders, you'll no longer need to send those uncomfortable follow-up emails. Enjoy faster payments and smoother cash flow. Finally, it helps keep you organized. Everything is stored in one secure place, so you can easily track what's been paid and what's pending. Say goodbye to lost invoices and missed payments. So why wait? Take your invoicing to the next level with Aroopa and get back to doing what you love. That's growing your business. Try Aroopa's invoicing app today. So let's begin. Either sign in or sign up into Aroopa Apps. Log in using your credentials. I will guide you through 3 key steps. First, I'll demonstrate how to update your business details, add locations, and set up email integrations, essential information needed to create an invoice. In the second step, I'll walk you through the process of creating an invoice. And in the third step, I'll show you how to create a template for invoice notes. Finally, we'll review an example email with the invoice attached. Simply follow along with each step. Start by opening the dashboard menu and navigating to Settings. Then select System Settings. In this section, you can edit and update essential business details, including the option to upload your business logo. Scroll down to find the option for Add New Locations. In the Name field, enter the specific location such as Chennai or another city or area as applicable. Complete the remaining required fields with accurate details, and once all information is entered, click Save to confirm the addition of the new location. This process ensures that your business information remains accurate and up to date. To enable the ability to send invoices via email, SMS, or WhatsApp, scroll to the top of the page and integrate the respective communication platforms. Click on the Invoice button. In the invoice setup sequence, specify your preferred starting format for the invoice number, such as 01 or 001. Next, in the payment type field, integrate your chosen payment method, such as PayPal, Stripe, or another option, and save your changes. The next step, let's create an invoice. To create an invoice, begin by opening the dashboard menu, selecting Invoicing, and then clicking Invoices. Next, choose Create Invoice. Select the appropriate location from the options you've added in your system settings. You may opt for an automatically generated invoice number or enter it manually. For this example, we'll enter it manually. Set the invoice date followed by the payment due date, indicating the deadline for the customer payment. Proceed by clicking Add Customer. If you're invoicing a new customer, choose Create New and enter the customer or company details. Then save. For an existing customer already in the CRM, simply type their name and select it from the list. Next, select Add Line Items to specify what the invoice is for, including price details. Use the Service field to indicate the product or service, adding a description as needed. In the Unit field, enter the quantity or units such as 1 or 2, which will automatically adjust the total. Apply any discounts or taxes as applicable, and the total amount will be calculated accordingly. To add notes related to an invoice, use the designated Notes section. If you have a pre-created template, select it. Otherwise, you can create one by navigating to Settings in the dashboard menu, choosing Manage Templates and clicking Add. Name the template, select Invoice Notes as the template type, enter your notes in the comment section and click Add. Once saved, this template will be available within the invoice. When finished, click Save and Continue. This will direct you to a page displaying all created templates, with options to filter and locate specific invoices. Since the invoice payment due date is set to the current date, the status column will display Due Today. You can update any invoice details by clicking the Edit button. If the payment due date is changed to the following day, the status will automatically update to Due in 1 day. To duplicate the invoice, use the Copy button. To send it via email, click the Email button where you can edit the subject, verify the customer's email, and add additional recipients if needed. If you have an email template, you can apply it or type a custom message. Select the options below to send a PDF copy of the invoice, share it with yourself, or provide a direct invoice link for customers to make hassle-free payments. Once finalized, click Send to dispatch the invoice. This is the example invoice we have just created and sent. The email can be configured to include the invoice link, allowing customers to easily click the link and complete their payment directly. To manually mark an invoice as paid after the customer makes a payment, click the Edit button on the invoice and then select the Actions button at the top of the page. This will display all available options such as Mark as Paid, Mark as Sent, etc. Select Mark as Paid, which provides two options: fully paid if the customer has paid the full invoice amount, or partially paid if only part of the amount has been paid and a balance remains. You can also add notes here for further verification. After making your selection, click Save. If marked as partially paid, the invoice will indicate partially paid, making it easier to track both incoming payments and amounts still due. Once the customer pays the balance or the full amount, the status will update to paid. Thank you for watching our video on how to create an invoice in Aroopa Apps. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Aroopa Apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@aroopapps.com. Thank you.